as an extension on Mozilla Firefox. So how can we do that? We will show this now. So for this, I'm going to open my Zap. It will take a few seconds. And also, I will show you that here's my Mozilla Firefox. So you know that I have already have my um, my FoxyProxy. So I'm just going to disable it, and once I get it disabled, then it will show as FoxyProxy. It is disabled, and once I click on Zap, because I already it has a well set up, so that's why now this FoxyProxy is well turned on, and when I click on here disabled, this FoxyProxy will get disabled. So I think our Zap will be open within a few seconds. So here is our Zap. We have to be wait a few seconds for this. Actually, Zap and BuzzSuit, those both of those two applications are well configured from our Foxy proxies, and chronologically, I will show you that how can we install BuzzSuit as a Foxy proxy uh, connections. Okay. So our Zap is we are getting Zap. It will take a little bit. It is loading its all with its all files. It needs a little bit few time to get well started. So I'm going to show you now how can we do that. So for these things, I have to go our add-ons from our Mozilla Firefox, and we have to be must install Mozilla Firefox, because the Foxy proxies, which one we are talking about and going to show with this tutorial, that is an extension for this Mozilla Firefox. So we can't be opening Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm writing here add-ons mozilla.org, and once I clicked on here, it will give us an environment with search box, and I have to be writing here the name of our proxy servers. It is Foxy and Proxy. And here is our tab. So once we get those things, and one thing I want to tell you that if I'm writing in here, searching in here BBC newspapers, so you know I'm searching to get today's news from BBC sites, and it's loading with its all papers or all pages, and on my Zap here is no information. I'm not getting anything. Because of that, my Zap has its local proxy support, and my Foxy proxy has option for port declaration from Zap. But my Foxy proxies is now disabled. So that's why there is nothing coming through Zap. So I'm not going to turn on it again, because I'm going to remove and then reinstall again. So here is the FoxyProxy standard. I have to click on here, and here is FoxyProxy standard. It has already installed on my Mozilla Firefox will setup, so need to be just remove. And once I remove it here, just notice to the corner that there is nothing. So add to the to the Firefox, allow extensions, and then OK. You see, just take a focus on my corner in my window that here is a FoxyProxy, but here is nothing. We need to configure it. Then we will get a name with well configuration. So I have to go that again. I have to click on here tools, need to go options. It will take few seconds actually on my PC. I have to find out networks for my local proxies option. So where is network? Here is network option. Here is my local server proxies. My proxy name is localhost, and by instead of this you can use its IP address also 127.0.0, 127.0.0.1, and port number is 8184. Need to be keep remember those informations. Actually, I like to be copy those from here, especially localhost name. That's all from here, and I have to click on here my added extension, go to options. Here is my environment. You should be click on here proxies, need to be click on add, title zap, then type should be HTTP, color you can change. I like green actually. This color is also nice, but I like green. Yeah. Then host name, we write in here localhost, and my zap localhost port number is 8184. No need to use username or password, then save, do save. And after that, cancel this. If you refresh this BBC website or anything like as Dublin Airport, Dublin, I could just search for Dublin. Or Dublin Airport. So from my browser, I'm getting those information from a specific servers. So from my Zap, there is no information. Information message should be come through this site. There is no history, no nothing. I'm getting now because what is the problem? My FoxyProxy is not enabled. So once I click on here Zap, which one I declare, here it will be denoted with my specific color that Zap has already turned on. So once I get this color, that means it is on. And now if I go through my Zap, I'm getting those informations. So like this way we can actually configure our Foxy proxies on our Mozilla Firefox as an extension, and by this Foxy proxies, after once it get well configured through these Foxy proxies on Mozilla Firefox, we whenever we are searching anything, that time we will get lots of information on our Zap module. So like this way we can configure Foxy proxies from Mozilla Firefox add-ons, and I hope so everyone will try at home, then you will get a clear view. Thank you very much.